If you are planning to change your career to fashion, or if you are starting your fashion career, this video is for you. I will explain the benefits and difficulties you will face and how to be successful in fashion career. The world is changing on everyday basis, but it is never growing out of love for fashionable clothes. Who doesn't want to look good, right? There is so much money put into fashion industry because there is high demand for unique styles of garments and accessories. If your designs are good enough, you will be wanted wherever you go, no matter how expensive is your product. Who exactly is a fashion designer? A fashion designer is a person who studies fashion trends, sources the fabrics, designs the new idea, and oversees the production of garments and accessories. Most people often mistake tailoring or dressmaking to fashion designing. Although they both go hand in hand, there is a lot of difference between them. A designer gets full credit of a new design or accessory because it was the designer's idea and creative ability that made the beautiful product. The tailors or dressmakers are considered as workers behind the scenes. Let's talk about benefits. It's a great career if you have talent and passion to pursue it. Your skill set can be developed by good training. It is much easier to launch your fashion career if you study from a fashion college and get a bachelor's degree for it. Fashion designing is a good choice and it has lucrative career. This career is considered as one of the best paying industry today, and it is very famous among creative people. You may wear beautiful clothes, you may get to meet celebrities, you may get to travel abroad, you may get to attend fashion shows, etc. etc. It is very popular and considered as very glamorous field, but it has cutthroat competition and lots of challenges to face. Let's talk about difficulties. What is it about fashion designing that you really love? Do you want to design clothes? Do you want to make things with your hands? Or do you want to make women look good? Do you want to make a lot of money? Let me warn you right away, there will be a lot of challenges even when you start working with a company or you launch your own brand. If you are working with a company, there are set guidelines which you need to follow. You will not always get a chance to create your own designs. Many fashion designers have 10 to 12 hours working days and there is no work life balance. You will have deadlines to meet, boss to answer. Let's not forget the politics in the industry. If you want to launch your own business, you need to set up the unit, hire skilled pattern makers, tailors, supervisors. You need to get lot of projects to fill the unit, pay the salaries and the rents. Let's not forget fabric or trim sourcing, invoice chasing, etc. etc. It is a completely different world in its own. If you are ready for the hard work, this career will fetch you good name and money. Just go for it. If you are a person who's planning to change the career to fashion, my personal suggestion is not to leave the present job because it is already making you money. Start fashion as a side gig, maybe on the weekends and holidays. Once the fashion career is making you a little money, then you decide to leave the present job and get completely into the fashion career. If you are a student who is watching this video, you need to pass 12th standard to get into any good fashion colleges. Study your fashion designing course. After that, get into the industry. I have a series of videos on being a fashion designer or fashion freelancer on my channel. I'll leave those links in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos just like this one. Until my next video, bye.